Dogfighting as in the Second World War, getting the enemy into your sights and within range of the machine gun or cannons and then opening up. Now it looks like hard to see, has the MiG looks like he's kicked out and got the vampires in front of him again. Good flying by the MiG pilot. And he's now overtaken one of the vampires, closing in on the second one. And I think the MiG would claim victory in that dogfight. Well, no such dogfight ever happened as far as we were aware. The jets were there on either side of the border, more as a deterrence to each other and also to defend their own countries. But that gave us all a little idea of the sort of scenario that could have developed at the time. So the vampire pair are departing to the south. The MiG should come flying back in to give us a demonstration of his own flying capabilities. Flown by Ken Argvisler, whose idea the Royal Norwegian Historical Squadron was. And the squadron was set up in 2010. It's a non-profit organisation and relies very much on the work of volunteers to help keep the aircraft flying, many of them former Norwegian Air Force technicians. Oh, here we have all three aircraft coming back in formation together. Look at that, what a pretty picture that is. The MiG-18, sorry, the MiG-50 is known as Red 80, which was actually the designation of the aircraft flown at the time by a Russian pilot based very close to the Norwegian border with Russia.